Hello friends, I'm Kriti and welcome to our channel Crazy for DIY. Today we are going to do something really crazy, and why I'll tell you. Well, there's a very popular internet challenge making the rounds since past 3 to 4 weeks, and for a change it's not something bizarre or potentially harmful. Rather, it involves taking a common household product, aluminium foil, and turning a crumbled ball of the ordinary wrap into a beautifully smooth and highly polished ball if you have the right tools and lots of patience. I didn't understand the logic behind wasting so much of time, effort and aluminium foil, but after some serious research, I learned that the process behind this mirrors time-honored metalworking techniques commonly used in Japan for making certain types of steel swords. Wow. So here I am, all set for taking this tin foil ball challenge. I won't be using any professional tools because I don't have them. So let's see what our ball looks like in the end. So I've taken a 9-meter aluminium foil roll and we'll use whole of this to make our ball. We'll start by making a triangle and we'll keep on rolling it into a ball. I'm trying to keep it as tight as possible. And I'm hammering it so that it takes the form of a ball. We have to make this as perfect round as possible. So we continue rolling and hammering till it takes a spherical shape. Hammering the ball compresses the air pockets and pores to make them as dense as possible. It is already looking like a ball to me, but now we shall smoothen it, for which I have taken this sandpaper. This one is P180, and now we start rubbing our ball to the sandpaper. It does look way more smoother. Now we'll take a bowl of water, dip our ball in it, and again go on smoothing our paper. My sandpaper is waterproof, so let's do it. Okay, that's how it is looking now. My hands are badly hurting, so I can't do this any further. So I'll move on to polishing our ball, for which I have taken Colgate. Let me tell you, certain toothpaste work great as metal polish. And finally, that's how our ball looked like. It is shining. But it required more of smoothing, which I couldn't do because my muscles were badly aching doing that. But anyway, this looked good to me. And it's rolling. Yay! After ages of hammering and polishing, my hands totally feel numb. These balls that people are painstakingly shaping definitely don't have any practical purpose, but making one is a great way to forge a hands-on connection to the ancient methods of metalworking. For more interesting videos, do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for notification and stay tuned. That's all for today. See you guys next week. Till then, do it yourself. For more such videos, do subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my videos and stay tuned. Also follow me on my social media networks. I'm there on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Twitter by the name of Crazy for DIY.